Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hole punch paper without a hole puncher. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a sheet of paper and I have a pen and I have a little small paper clip. These are all of the things that you will need for hole punching a sheet of paper without a hole puncher. Now sometimes you need to put a small hole in a sheet of paper to put it through a binding or to attach it to something, but you don't have a hole puncher handy, and you can use this method. It's really easy. You first want to use, and you can use a pen or pencil, but I recommend the pen just because the tip is metal and it gives a nice solid punch through the sheet of paper. So you want to start off with your pen and you want to place a little dot, where you want your hole to be. So it's hard to see that, but I put a little dot right over there. And then some people will recommend that you just get the pen and you poke it right through, but because this is a sort of blunt tip, it's not really that sharp, despite what you might think. You might just puncture through the paper and rip it. If you want a nice clean hole, you need something small that's pretty pointy, like a paper clip. So we're going to get the end of the paper clip and we're just going to place it through that little dot right there, and that's going to give us like a pilot hole. So sometimes when you drill, when you're drilling, you want to get a little pilot hole, and I'm taking that paper clip and I'm sort of just moving it in small circles like that to make the hole a decent size. So you can see right there, now we have a decent size hole. And if you look with the pen, it starts off pretty fine and then it gets a little bit bigger gradually. So you can use that to make the hole whatever size you want. And for most pens, if you go to where it sort of notches out, right, which is right over there, where it notches out, then it's going to allow you to create pretty much a perfect size hole punch. Sorry, my hands are a little bit shaky because I'm leaning over and I'm really flexing my body to stay in place, so please bear with me. So I'm going to take my pen right over here and I'm putting it through the pilot hole and I'm giving a little twisting motion as I push further down. Okay, and that's sort of the beginning of it, as you can see right there. But I know I can go a little bit bigger, and I should go a little bit bigger to make it a regular hole punch size. Okay, so I went to where the indent was. As you can see right there, I'm right where the indent was. Let's pull it out. And that is basically big enough to fit through most bindings, as you can see right there. You can make it a little bit bigger by continuing to go forward if you want to. Like I can go a little bit further forward if I want to, but I don't think that it's necessary. But if I wanted to go a little bit bigger, I could go like that. And as you can see, that is how to hole punch a sheet of paper without a hole puncher. You can see it's really easy to do, and if you wanted to do a 3-hole punch, you could just line it up with your binder, and wherever you see the rings of the binder, you could place a little mark wherever you see the rings, and then you can make your 3 holes and place it in the binder. That's it. It's really easy to do. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.